My name is 𝐬𝐮𝐜𝐜𝐿. I graduated from the Faculty of Sharia and Law in 2000. The reason I joined International Islamic University, Islamabad, was the joint degree. It was a fascinating period to have been at the university, where we studied both Sharia and Law. And I got to learn Arabic, of course, and got to make friends from all over the world, friendships that alhamdulillah have continued to this day. I was very fortunate to then have been awarded scholarships to study both at the University of Cambridge and the University of Harvard, subsequent to which I worked as a corporate attorney in Islamic investment banking, asset management, and then private equity. I came back to Pakistan in 2019. For the last 3 years, I am responsible for this organization called Character Education Foundation as its CEO. And I'm engaged in a number of other initiatives, whether that is on the think tank side or whether that is on the business side. I think I can say without any hesitation or doubt that of the 3 universities that I went to, Islamic University had the most profound impact on me. The ability or the opportunity to read Sharia and law allows us to understand and takes away the confusion that sometimes many Muslims may feel regarding their religion, regarding why scholars disagree, for instance, how decisions are made, and so on and so forth. And likewise, studying law, again, in a structured manner, allows us to understand the relationship between people and state, people and people, state and state, so on and so forth. So I think it allows us that framework and lens which gives us a deeper and better understanding of the world and the society around us. So I think, alhamdulillah, Islamic University was probably the best decision that I made. And the friendships that I established and the relationships and the knowledge has continued to benefit me to this day. I would encourage anyone thinking about the Faculty of Sharia and Law specifically, but Islamic University in general as well, to not hesitate and think about Islamic University as an option that, inshallah, will have a profound positive impact on them.